Hi, my name is Victor Ortiz. This is my ID. This activity is alternative. Activity principle of meeting of tutor I didn't and talk. Let's talk task 4, right? Question number 1. One moment, please. Did you spend much money for your last trip? Was it a fair amount? Really no. The money used in the last trip is always fine. The purchase were clear and economy. Question 2. What are the most visited places or tourist attraction in your city? Undoubtedly, our historic center, the sector of the Poblado, and the Peñol in Guarapé. Question 3. What place have you missed to visit during your trip? I could not go to Comuna 13, Coln, Goweiter, or Garden Botanic. Question 4. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? Climb the Peñol. The view is magnificent. Question 5. Moment, please. Have you ever met a new friend during a trip? How did it happen? At the Rio Negro airport, there we talked about the plans we had and since then we have continued to talk and share trips.